Welcome again, and in this lecture we will learn division by Nikhilam Sutra of Vedic math. This technique is very useful in giving answers very fast when large numbers are divided by 4 or 5 digit numbers near to the base. But before proceeding, let's try to understand the concept of complement of a number again. If base is 10, then complement will be difference of number from 10. For example, complement of 8, because 8 is a single digit number, so we will take the base as 10. And difference of 10 and 8 will give us complement number of 8. So complement number of 8 is 2. Similarly, complement number of 6 is the difference of 10 and 6, that is 4. And if base is 100, complement will be the difference of number from 100. For example, complement of 98 is, because 98 is a 2-digit number, so base number is 100 and difference of 100 and 98 is 02. In division we need 2-digit number. Complement of 86 is 100 minus 86, so 14. Similarly, complement of 998 is, because 998 is 3-digit number, so its base is 1000. So difference of 1000 and 998 will give us complement of 998, that is 002. Because we need 3-digit number, so we write 2 zeros before the number 2. Suppose we have to divide 111 by 8. Then 111 is dividend and 8 is divisor. Separate off the last digit of the dividend, that is, this is the dividend. So we separated the last digit from the rest of the digits. Now this part is going to give us remainder and this part is going to give us quotient. Write the complement of 8, that is 2, underneath the 8. So we are dividing by 8 and its complement is 2. So steps are, first of all we have to bring down the first digit number as it is, and then we will multiply this one by the complement number 2 and we will write this below the next dividend number here. Now we will add these two numbers. So 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Again we will multiply 3 by the complement number and we will write the result below the third dividend number. So 3 multiplied by 2 gives us 6 and we will write this below the third dividend number. Again we will add 1 and 6, so this gives us 7. Now this part is going to give us remainder and this part is going to give us quotient. So 13 is quotient and 7 is remainder. So this is the answer. In order to understand well, let's do more examples. Now here we have to divide 102 by 8. Now first of all, complement of 8 is 2. Since 8 is a 1-digit number, so base is 10 and the difference of 8 from 10 is 2. So the complement number is 2. We will separate the last digit of the number and we will write the complement over here, 2. First of all, we will bring down the first digit of the number, 1, and now we will multiply 1 by the complement of the number, that is 2. So 1 times 2 is 2 and then we will write this 2 below the second dividend number and we will add these two numbers. Answer is 2. Again we will multiply this result with complement number 2 and we will write the answer below the next dividend number. So 2 times 2 gives us 4 and we will write below the next dividend number. Again we will add these, 2 plus 4 gives us 6. Now this part is remainder and this part is quotient. So quotient is 12 and remainder is 6. Now here in this case we have to divide by 9. Complement of 9 is 1. Now we will separate the last digit of the number. So we will write the complement over here, bring down the first digit of the number as it is, multiply this number by the complement of the number and write down the result below the next dividend. So 1 times 1 is 1 and we will write this result below the next dividend. 4 plus 1 gives us 5 and again we will multiply 5 by the complement, and we will write the result below the next dividend number. So 5 times 1 is 5, and we will write this 5 below the next dividend number. Again we will add these two. This will give us 5. 0 plus 5 gives us 5. Again we will multiply 5 by the complement, and we will write the result below the next dividend number. So 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 again, and 1 plus 5 gives us 6. So this part is remainder and this part is quotient. So quotient is 155 and remainder is 6. Now let's try with the 2-digit number. Now here 98 is the divisor. Because 98 is a 2-digit number, so base will be 100. Hence the complement will be 100 minus 98. That is 02. And now we will write this number. Now this time the base is 100. So we will separate 2 digits from the last. Complement over here. Now we will copy the first digit of the number as it is 2, and we will multiply this 2 by the complement. So this becomes 04, and we will write 04 below the next 2 digits. Again we will multiply 3 by complement of the number 02. So result is 06, and we will write below the next 2 dividend. By adding these numbers we get 53. So this is quotient and this is remainder. So quotient is 23 and remainder is 53. Now let's try one more problem, and this time the divisor is 996. So the base will be 1000 and complement. Now complement will be 004. The difference of 1000 and 996 is 004. Because divisor is 3-digit number and base is 1000, so this time we have to separate last 3 digits. Divisor over here, we will bring first digit as it is 3, and then we will multiply 3 by the complement of the number. This gives us 012. 3 times 4 is 12, so this number becomes 012, and we will write below the next 3 dividend numbers. Now we will add this. Now this is remainder and this is quotient. So quotient is 3 and remainder is 424. In usual method, you have to give stress to your brain in deciding how many times 996 is going to divide 3412. Now here there is no stress on the brain. You can do it very easily. Let's do a few more problems. Now this is a 3-digit number, so base is 1000 and complement will be 002, the difference of 1000 and 998. And this time again we have to separate last 3 digits from the rest of the digits. First of all, we have to bring first digit of the number as it is over here. Now we will multiply 2 by the complement of the number. This becomes 004, and we will write below the next dividend numbers like this. Now we will add 3 and 0 first, that is 3. Now the product of 3 and 002 is 006, which we can write below the next 3 dividend numbers like this. Now we can add these numbers. So quotient is 23 and remainder is 562. So this method is very easy. We are dividing 5-digit number by a 3-digit number, and number is very large, 998. We are able to solve this without giving stress to the brain. Let's do one more problem. Again 3-digit number, so base is 1000 and the complement will be 1, 1 and 0. While writing the complement, I am taking the help of Nicolet method. Writing the difference is very easy. While writing the complement, we don't need this. This method is all from 9 last from 10. That is, we are subtracting 9 from 9 and 8 from 9, but 9 from 10, the last digit from 10. Subtracting 9 from 9, we are getting 0. We are subtracting 8 from 9, we are getting 1. And if we are subtracting 9 from 10, we are getting 1. So this is how very easily we can find complement of the number by Nicolet method. Suppose we have to find complement of this number. It's very easy to write the complement without giving stress to your brain. All from 9 last from 10. That is, we will subtract 4 from 9, which will give us 5. We will subtract 8 from 9, that is 1. And we will subtract 7 from 10, that is 3. All from 9 last from 10. This gives the complement of the number. If you add these numbers, you will get 1000 because the base is 1000. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 carry, again 10, 1 carry, and this is 1000. So sum of complement number and the number itself is always the base number. Because the divisor is a 3-digit number, so we will separate 3-digit numbers and complement over here. First of all, we will copy first digit number as it is. Now we will multiply 4 with the complement number. This gives us 044, and we will write below the next dividend numbers. Now we will add 5 and 0. This gives us 5. Again we will multiply 5 by the complement number, and this gives us 055. And we will write this below the next 3 dividend numbers. Now we will add these numbers in the remainder. This gives us 9, 10 and 8. So that means quotient is 45 and the remainder is 809. Now this time it is a 4-digit number, so base will be 10,000. I am going to write the complement by Nicolet technique. That is, all from 9 last from 10. Difference of 7 and 9 is 2. Difference of 9 from 9 is 0. Difference of 9 from 9 is 0. And the difference of 9 from 10 is 1. Now this time base is 10,000. So we will separate 4-digit numbers from the last. Complement number over here. Now we will copy the first digit as it is. We will multiply this number by the complement, and we will write the result below the next 4 dividend numbers. Now 1 times 2001 is 2001 only, and this gives us. Now we will add these numbers 7, 4, 3, 4. So quotient is 1 and the remainder is 4, 3, 4, 7. So very easy and very fast. This time we are going to do it very fast. So like this. For writing the complement, we will again take the help of Nicolet method. All from 9 last from 10. The difference of 9 from 9 is 0. Difference of again 9 from 9 is 0. Difference of 8 from 9 is 1. And difference of 7 from 10 is 3. So number becomes 0013. So this is the complement of this number. Now we will copy the first digit of the number as it is. We will multiply 2 by the complement number, and we will write the result below the next 4 dividend numbers. So this gives us 0026. Now we will add these. So quotient is 2 and the remainder is 2148. So dividing by this method is very easy and you can get the result very fast. And it's very helpful while dividing large numbers by the 4 or 5 digit numbers. And now there is a task to practice more problems, and answers are on the next sheet. I hope you will like this technique, and that's all in this lecture.